y'all. I'm sorry I'm just not posting the video. Well, getting the video started. But it's kind of emergency. I'm out here doing some plumbing. Daggone water people called us and said, y'all got a water leak. Y'all house using 100 gallons an hour. I finna argue the lady down. They said, no, it ain't. I get here. Get here. Go up under the house. Look, I don't see nothing. Then I come out and said, let me go all the way to the other end. Because the water was spraying under the ground, like they said, but I know if it was 100 gallons a minute, if it was outside of the house, I could have seen that. That's what I was trying to tell them. But I went all the way to the side of the house, and my water line busted right there. It was spraying down under the ground, but it was running out under my house by the kitchen area. So I'm sitting there like, man, how in the world? I done crawled up on here 2-3 times. And it's 2 water lines. Whoever did the plumbing, janky boy. Janky. You got that line running up under there, which is the one that busted, but I didn't even see it. I ain't know it was there. And then you got another line right there with some speakers right here. Like where that speaker at, it tied in that speaker and run water down to my shop. I always wondered why the water didn't work, but they got 2 speakers right here. And they got some piping right here that runs to the daggone in my shop. Now my shop so wet because I turned the valve. I thought it was broke because it's so pressed. But this is what I do. Hey, you gotta get it done because you gotta have water for your family. Yeah. Boy. See that's the valve. That's the line I thought was leaking. That black line. Right there. Yep. That's on the ground. But it was this one, got a hole underneath it, about right in there. So I just cut it off when it comes in. I'm finna go get the pieces and get it, walk and plumb it, and put me a cutoff valve right here so I can see it. I gotta get me another box, so that box is over. And they just had that box around me. So, man, I'm just telling y'all. Sometimes saturated. I'm gonna have to get me a couple bags of concrete because that's the footer for my house. Get me a block to sit right there. Get me some concrete. And I'm just gonna dump bags of concrete to soak up that water and kind of keep that ground solid since it done got so saturated. But this is what you gotta do, y'all. So I guess y'all know now. Rip do plumbing. And thank God I had a piece of equipment so I can do my stuff myself, you know. But it is what it is. I got to go to Lowe's. Oh. Damn it, boy. Yeah. I gotta fight this one right here. Hey! I said boots on the ground. This is what happened, right? You can't stop off the bed. Hey, you gotta take care of it. because the hose that I had hooked to the other hose ended up having another hose. So I had to go back up under the house and just take this hose I was going to use to make a faucet. I'll just tie into this right here later on and put me a faucet out here. But so that faucet right there, oh, and it didn't work. But I'm finished with it. I'm get ready to put the dirt back in it. But that's what I'm saying. Sometimes you gotta do what you got to do. And all I'm trying to do is motivate. I've been tired, I got frustrated, especially once I had got everything and I thought I was done. And then the thing ended up having a leak. So I had to regroup, run back to level. But that's what comes with the territory. You know, this is how you get to where you want to go. And I love y'all. Thanks.
To dawn, he worked.